Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.77% compared to the same day last year, at 43,780.12. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has decreased by -0.17% compared to the same day last year, at 2,354.47. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by -0.95% compared to the same day last year, at 238.8.
Latest news.
VersiFi stock C-suite with traditional finance hires ahead of Rollup.Finance launch. VersiFi, a crypto trading and lending firm, has added 2 traditional finance hires to its C-suite. Sol Zlachenko will serve as Chief Product and Technology Officer and Daniel Zafman will serve as Chief Information and Security Officer. Both hires previously worked at treasury management firm Hazeltree, where VersiFi founder Samir Shalaby was CEO. The firm has raised $10 million in a series around LED by Hunting Hill Global Capital. Job postings for crypto and web-free jobs have declined in November, but job applicants have increased. The Federal Reserve Bank of Boston is seeking a software engineer to lead its research on central bank digital currencies. Blast, a paradigm-backed Layer 2 with over $5 million in total value locked before launching, is hiring a senior development operations engineer and a senior protocol engineer. Bitcoin rally pushes meme coins upward amid ETF approval hype. Bitcoin's continued rally has led to a surge in meme coins. The anticipated approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF product could result in an influx of capital into the crypto markets. Meme coins such as Pepe, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu experienced significant gains this week. Solana-based meme coin Bonk also saw a substantial rise. Cryptocurrency projects secure significant investments amid bull market. Blockworks reports significant investments in developers working with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Mining companies have seen increased funding, while scaling projects secure support. Babylon raised $8 million in a series of LED by Polychain and Hack VC for a protocol that allows Bitcoin to be used for staking in proof-of-stake networks. MAP protocol, built on Bitcoin, has received strategic investment from Waterdrip Capital. Swan Bitcoin reveals plans for an additional $1 million in institutional offerings. Paradigm leads a $9 million seed round in on-chain data platform Shadow. 10 and Versatis closed seed rounds for encryption-focused Layer 2 and stateless Ethereum rollup respectively. Curvens caps investment in token sale at $250,000 per party and plans to turn governance over to a DAO. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest cuts holdings in Coinbase, GBTC and Robinhood stocks. ARK Invest trimmed its portfolio's exposure to cryptocurrency-related stocks. The firm reduced its holdings in Coinbase by 335,860 shares, amounting to approximately $40.4 million, and in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust by 131 shares, amounting to approximately $6 million. The firm also sold off 37,151 shares in Robinhood, equivalent to roughly $420,000. ARK Invest's ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, ARKW, cut 86,159 shares in GBTC on December 7, while ARK FinTech Innovation ETF, ARKF, let go of 1,071 shares in Robinhood. On the same day, ARK Innovation ETF, ARKK, cut 326,925 shares in Coinbase stocks, while ARKW lowered its holdings by 2,367 Coinbase shares and chopped off 102,672 GBTC fund shares. Ethereum price reaches 19-month high, but user count remains stagnant. Ethereum's price has reached a 19-month high of $2,400, with anticipation of a spot ETH ETF approval in the United States. Despite the price surge, the second-largest blockchain network has not seen an increase in its user count, raising questions about whether the price will continue to climb if this changes. The crypto market has recovered from the 2022 crash and bear cycle, with prices of numerous assets reaching their highest levels in almost 2 years. Ethereum is a popular asset for users interested in DeFi, NFTs, or other niches that employ the blockchain. However, there has not been a significant influx of new users to the Ethereum network recently, with both the number of new addresses and the new adoption rate showing no significant spikes. Retail investors typically follow the hype, which has returned to the markets, especially for Bitcoin and Ethereum. The number of Bitcoin addresses and active users continues to climb, with non-zero balance wallets recently surpassing the 50 million mark. This could change quickly, especially if the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approves a spot Ethereum ETF soon. If that happens, Ethereum's price could skyrocket even further with the growing number of users and investors. Crypto analysts warn of possible Bitcoin price drop as altcoins surge. Analyst Matthew Hyland warns of potential BTC dominance reversal and potential all-season rally as Bitcoin hits 19-month high. Despite recent falls, altcoins continue to perform well. US, South Korea, and Japan unite against North Korea's crypto theft and weapons program. CoinCo reports that 3 national security officials from the United States, South Korea, and Japan met in Seoul to discuss North Korea's growing cyber threats and its efforts to advance its weapons of mass destruction program. The officials discussed cryptocurrency theft, nuclear and ballistic missile program efforts, and other threats, highlighting the need for a collaborative approach to safeguard financial systems and digital assets. The trilateral gathering was a display of diplomatic collaboration and commitment to regional and global security. The outcome of the discussions is expected to influence policy decisions and cooperative efforts aimed at mitigating the threats emanating from North Korea's aggressive pursuits. Bitcoin's role in average investors' portfolio remains questionable, says Analyst. Despite Bitcoin's impressive performance this year, financial analyst and crypto advisory expert Aaron Brown has expressed concerns about its role in an average investor's portfolio. Brown believes that Bitcoin's unclear correlations to traditional asset classes make it an odd choice when purchased alongside stocks, currencies, or gold. Bitcoin has experienced a bifacial 950 increase since the beginning of the year, recovering from losses suffered last year, but its unpredictable behavior around fundamental market events makes it a risky prospect for those who cannot or will not respond to regular price changes. On-chain data supports the skepticism of average investors, while regulatory progress and the availability of traditional and regulated financial services like options, lending, and custody make Bitcoin more appealing. Brown suggests that even traditional investors should consider a small allocation to Bitcoin, as the potential upside outweighs the risk of having no exposure at all. Avalanche Web Wallet to retire and transition to Core on January 23. Ava Labs is set to retire the Avalanche Web Wallet and transition to a new wallet called Core on January 23. The new wallet will support advanced AVAX staking features and users can expect a smoother and more feature-rich crypto experience with the transition. Ava Labs code will remain open source, inviting the community to contribute to the ongoing evolution of their products. The move by Ava Labs reflects their commitment to innovation and user satisfaction in the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency. ZkSync derivative protocol Rollup.Finance to acquire CherrySwap. Rollup.Finance and ZkSync are set to merge, with Rollup.Finance using CHE tokens to exchange for ROP tokens. The observation period will be 6 months, and both parties have the right to withdraw and restore their independent brand. The merger will be completed through a token exchange, with CHE tokens being exchanged for ROP tokens. The exchange ratio will be disclosed after the ROP-TG. EU officials reach provisional agreement over AI regulation. The European Parliament and Council have reached a provisional agreement on artificial intelligence (AI) rules. The agreement covers government use of AI in biometric surveillance, regulating AI systems like ChatGPT, and transparency protocols. The EU aims to enact AI-specific laws to benefit from its use and mitigate associated risks. The regulations impose penalties for non-compliance, with maximum penalties ranging from 7.5 million euros or 1.5% of turnover to 35 million euros or 7% of global turnover. The agreement will be enacted as EU-wide law after formal ratification by the Parliament's Internal Market and Civil Liberties Committees. Binance Market Update 2023年12月9日 All cryptocurrency market cap has increased to $1.61T, up by 2.47%. Bitcoin has been trading between $43,081 and $44,700 over the past 24 hours. Most major cryptocurrencies are trading higher, with JTO, QI, and ADA leading the way. Top stories include the SEC and Fidelity discussing an innovative spot Bitcoin ETF model, cryptocurrency projects secure significant investments, and analysts warning of possible Bitcoin price drops. The EU officials reached a provisional agreement over AI regulation, while Bitcoin nears $45,000 as altcoins surge. Market movers include Ethereum at $2,372.37, Ripple at $0.6837, BNB at $242.50, SOL at $76.44, ADA at $0.6346, Doge at $0.10248, AVAX at $33.08, TRX at $0.10791, DOT at $7.564, Link at $16.919, and top gainers on Binance include JTO-USDT 正 39%, QI-USDT 正 38%, ADA-USDT 正 29%. SEC and Fidelity discuss innovative spot Bitcoin ETF model. Fidelity Investments and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, held a discrete meeting to discuss the Fidelity Spot Bitcoin ETF application. The meeting focused on the company's innovative in-kind creation and redemption models, which streamline the process without direct cryptocurrency handling. The proposed rule change would allow CBOBZX to list and trade shares of Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust. Fidelity submitted the spot Bitcoin ETF application to the SEC on June 19, and the company also filed an amended S-1 form with the SEC on Friday. The industry is speculating on when the first U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF will receive approval, with 13 asset managers including Hashdex among those anticipating approval by the second quarter of 2024.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.